Theory of relativity. Number one, we will study about the theory of relativity and introduction. Classical or Newtonian mechanics deals with the motion of bodies traveling at velocities that are very much less than the velocity of light. And v is very less than c. According to this, there are fundamental concepts of physics. Number one, space, time, and mass are all absolute invariant. So first we will study the concept of space. Newton assumed that space is Newton's assumed that space is absolute and exists it in itself without relation to anything external and remains unaffected under all circumstances. This means to say that the light of an object is independent of the condition under which it is measured, such as the motion of object or the experimenter. Number 2, concept of time. According to Newtonian, time is absolute by its very nature, flowing uniformly without reference to anything external. Hence, there is a universal time flowing at a constant rate, unaffected by the motion or position of object and observer. This absolute two things. Number 1, the interval of time between two events has the same value for all observers irrespective of their state of motions. Number 2, if two events are simultaneous for an observer, they are simultaneous for all observers irrespective of their state of motion. That is, simultaneity is absolute. Number 3, concept of mass. The mass of body does not depend on the velocity of its motion. Number 2, the mass of an isolated system of bodies does not change with any process occurring with the system. This is known as law of conservation of mass. Thank you.